Hey everyone, welcome to Ranimal Media. Let's see what we're doing today. Now what's this guy doing? Hope you guys are having a good day today. Garbage man. What was that? Oh no. Oh. That. That guy's checking his hand. There's a car in the far distance. He's like, oh no, I'm not going anywhere over there. Oh, looks like they have a garbage truck on fire. He's calling 911. Yeah, you guys can see the garbage truck on fire in the corner. That's nuts. Crazy. He said it blew his headphones out of his ears. Let's see what this one is.
These two private sanitation workers had their day end with a bang Wednesday after a sudden explosion inside their truck in this Whitehall neighborhood.
That's crazy.
It sounded like a bomb went off. It was chaos for a minute. It was trash everywhere.
Anything you'd find in a trash bag basically just blew up and sprayed everywhere.
This is body camera video showing Whitehall Police
lucky they didn't get hurt.
in the aftermath. They blame the blast on someone who tossed an oxygen tank in the trash on Elburn Avenue.
Don't do
Definitely illegal and definitely dangerous.
The trash collectors employed by Local Waste Services, walking away with just scratches.
Super fortunate. A couple inches and we're talking, serious injury or fatality.
Pieces of trash still scattered in the street and front lawns. Police say the explosion so loud, it set off Whitehall's gunshot detection system.
Oh, that's crazy.
In the neighborhood, believing someone may have been shot.
Everybody went to that call because we weren't really sure what had happened at that point.
I thought it was gunshots personally.
Moments after the explosion, just watch as the back of the truck catches fire. And the crew
was on fire.
Action to put out the flames.
Garbage truck on fire is no joke.
Reminding everyone to always check labels and do not throw anything in the trash that's compressed, pressurized, or hazardous.
Tank, container of any sorts, aerosol cans. Even household cleaning items, such as bleach or other solvents can be explosive. Batteries.
A simple check, neighbors say, that would have prevented a dangerous explosion right in their front yards.
It's crazy. All right, catch me for the next one. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to Ranimal Media. Take care. Thanks.